Hey, Big Rapids Middle School family, this is Mr. Aldrich. I am standing here with your principal, Mr. Bull, and I have some questions for him, just really quickly. Hey, what's going on Tuesday the 24th?
Well, Mr. Aldrich, we have our open house. We're going to welcome back our students and our staff to the building.
Well, that's cool. What do we get to do at that open house?
So you're going to get an opportunity when you walk in the door. Mr. Aldrich and I are going to be greeting people. You're going to have a tour agenda for the open house. You're going to have an opportunity to answer some commonly asked questions. You're going to have an opportunity to meet our staff. You're going to have a chance to walk to your classes, find your lockers. You're going to get a chance to tour the building. And then, of course, you're going to get a chance to see some friends you haven't seen in a long time.
Well, that's really cool. We're looking forward to that. How about when do the kids actually come back to school?
So the following day, on Wednesday the 25th, our blue team will be back from 8 to 11:30. The following day, on Thursday, August 26th, our red team will be back from 8 to 11:30. And finally, we're finally going to get everybody back on Friday, August 27th, from 8 to 3. All our students will be back in the building.
Well, that's really cool. I'm looking forward to seeing you folks all coming in the building on Tuesday, and then seeing the kids all coming to school on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and then obviously the next week as well. In addition to the cool open house, you're going to see all the cool furniture we got in the building, the new flooring, the new air conditioning, and just thank you all for your support and all that stuff that we got going on here in the building, and we just are really excited for a new school year.
Awesome. We can't wait to see everybody on Tuesday.